All right, guys, we are in 2026, and in this video, I am going to share with you how to double, triple, quadruple, or even more your earnings through these digital crypto solutions, Bitcoin wallets. It hit me with a question that someone posted in the forum this morning that many of you guys do not understand the full benefits that you can extract from this. And stop and think, guys, are we not in this space to earn money, right? We are all here to increase our wealth in Bitcoin. But guess what, guys? If you're not putting in the effort to learn or understand the very protocol that you're investing in, how can you expect to maximize your return? I mean, use me as an example, guys. If you watch my videos on how I research other projects, 100% of the time that I do that, I'm finding problems, issues, dirt, deception in all of these protocols, right? And I'm revealing that to you. And it's because that I understand all of the crap that's going on in these other projects. I develop solutions that completely eliminate that. So if you follow my lead and was to do the type of research I do on these other projects, there you're going to find dirt. But if you apply your same research on our wallets, you're going to end up finding seeds that bear a significant amount of fruit for you. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys some strategies on how to double, triple, quadruple what you're already getting from the wallets. And you don't have to put in any more Bitcoin, guys. You can use the same existing amount of Bitcoin that you already have out there and just begin using other techniques. But I'm going to fuss at you a little bit because you are not doing your research, right? I mean, you guys follow me. Not most of the people that follow me are critical thinkers. But unfortunately, there are many of you guys out there that are a bit lazy. But understand this, you don't get something for nothing. If you don't apply yourself to learn how a system works, how can you truly benefit to the maximum from that system? And it astounds me after doing that series on Texacoin, we're looking at a completely centralized blockchain, complete crap. But a lot of people invested a lot of time to learn a very difficult multi-level marketing strategy to recruit other people. This thing is complex, guys. That thing that they were trying to learn, but they spent the time to learn it, and then they went to work so that they can recruit other members into that ecosystem. Guys, if you apply that same or just a percentage of what these guys were doing to learn the aspects of these wallets, you don't have to recruit anybody. You just have that knowledge on how to maximize your returns. Okay. And in the process of maximizing your returns, you're benefiting the whole ecosystem, guys. There is a very tight knit circular economy that's going on in this, right? And the more you understand about that, the more you're going to be able to benefit from it when you take action. So I do what I can, right, to give you guys solutions. I can't invest for you. The software can't invest for you. It's only going to do what you tell it to do, right? If you send Bitcoin to it, there's your Bitcoin. Now, what are you going to do with it, right? All of these features are available, and I post them in the website at the links at the bottom. When you sign up for a wallet, you get this information here. You get your login information. It directs you to this awareness guide. And I'm really going to fuss at you guys because 9 times out of 10, you're not doing this. You're not going out and reading the documentation. Here's a link here. We're going to go to this link. If you go to any of the websites, this link is available at the bottom. I don't need this. Let me log out of this wallet. Uh, This link is available at the bottom, guys. This awareness guide. Come out here, read this information, guys. Understand it. And if you don't understand it, that's why we got this big contact us button right here for you to ask questions. That's why we have a forum out here for you to ask questions. So shout out to Cicero this morning for asking a simple question. And trust me, it's 2026, guys, and this just hit me that many of you guys really don't understand how powerful these wallets can be for your benefit, right? And Cicero asked the question, what's the difference between drip to BTC and high yield BTC wallets? Should someone use both? Is it beneficial to use both? If so, why? And I do videos on this, guys. I've explained this in videos, and I reference these videos here. Um, and I understand, guys, it's a lot of information to digest, but this is not a crash course that you have to get all of the information in 24 hours or a week or even a month, guys. Just progressively look into the documentation. If there's anything that's not clear, that's why the forum exists. That's why the contact us page exists, for you to get complete clarity on how everything operates, whether it's transaction fees, how the transaction fees are used to support the protocol, um, how certain features of the wallets work. When you understand all of this, I mean, we are building a serious money making platform for Bitcoin, guys. And the better you use it, the faster you are going to increase your Bitcoin holdings. So if you came out, and I understand for new users, you come out here, you start off with one wallet, but take the time to understand the system. And as you understand the system, it's going to click, or when you ask questions, is eventually going to get to you, hey, I can actually benefit greater by having multiple wallets. And so, like I say, shout out to um, this user here for asking the question. So I go ahead and elaborate on what the difference is. Now, keep in mind, guys, we have three white label sites at this time. We got High Yield BTC, Drip to BTC, and Sovereign Bitforge. I will leave a link to this forum post in the description for you to reference. But I'd already done a video about 2 months ago because I understood that not many people were using a multi-wallet strategy. Now, why is this effective, guys? Because understand that when I designed these wallets, I did so with an understanding of all of the games that people would play in crypto. How whales would come in and try to front run a project, try to put a lot of money in and get all the money out for people that come in later and things like that. You don't have to worry about that with this system, guys. All of the measures have already been built into the ecosystem to prevent whales from abusing the system. So it doesn't matter if you start with a minimum deposit of 0.0002 Bitcoin, or guys, you know, if you already have a wallet, you can create another wallet and send a Satoshi to that wallet. Now you ain't gonna be able to earn anything with that Satoshi, right? But nevertheless, you can do that. But the key to this, guys, is learning how it operates. So I make the statement, and you guys have probably heard me say this 100 times. The more you understand, the better you'll be at devising strategies to maximize the benefits of the wallets. Understand how the system works. And many of you don't understand that this is a whale tactic that that is used in order to exploit most systems. They can't exploit these wallets. However, you can use this whale tactic to a certain extent, whereas each site gives you or allows you to have up to 10 wallets. So you can have 10 wallets on the high yield BTC, 10 wallets on Drip to BTC, 10 wallets on Sovereign Bitforge. And trust me, guys, I get it. You know, many people don't want to have that many wallets, and that's fine. That's cool. You know, you do not have to do this. But for those that venture to do this, you are going to benefit even more. Okay. Now, I didn't even have to explain this to some people because some people came out of the DeFi space, and from day one, once they started getting into it, I mean, we had people that created like 80 wallets and 100 plus wallets in the ecosystem, right? And while they may or may not have been wanting to screw everybody else over, they were in it to be like, hey, let me front run this thing and get as much out as I can. But it does not allow that to be abused. Nevertheless, it does permit at this stage of the game, because we started with, like, it allowed you to have up to three wallets, then five wallets, and now up to 10 wallets. Because we're at a stage now where it can support, any and everybody having up to 10 wallets per site. So um, understand this is just one aspect, guys, and also understand the purpose of this documentation, because it is truly, when I'm putting words out here, it's not fluff, guys. It is truly to help enhance your experience, right? Save you money and help you avoid pitfalls. Now, and just one example in this documentation, guys, because some people have been burned by this, is that they've purchased Bitcoin on exchanges like crypto.com or coins.ph, right? And when they purchased on crypto.com, they sent it to their wallet, and they paid $50 just to send that Bitcoin. Okay. So understand, guys, if you get this email, right, and you take the time before you even send money to your wallet, read the documentation, guys, because it is here to help enhance your experience, save you money, and help avoid pitfalls. Who wants to lose $50 in Bitcoin, right? So take this information, read it. It's not a rush, guys. This in a rush game, and Bitcoin is going to take a while for the price to increase again. But while the price is down, or whether even the price is up, the thing is Bitcoin accumulation, and you want to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can as soon as you can. So I'm not going to get into all of the features because this video will take forever to go through all of this. But take your own time, guys. Read through each one of these links, and they're not long, guys. I mean, this isn't like, it's very thorough, but it's not exhaustive to where, look how short this is, right? It's just explaining to you the limitations, 2FA, this, that, or whatever the case is, and then we start adding on the new features, and then after the automated Satoshi stacker, all of the updates that have occurred to the wallet are now listed in the forum. So I recommend all you guys to join the forum and to set your flags on, so that you receive email notifications anytime a new post hits the updates and announcements um, forum. And I've even done a video on how to do that in the forum. And if y'all are interested, I'm not going to go through look for it, post it, or anything, because it's available out there in the previous video. But if you need it, I'll go ahead and look for it and post it in this video. But at this stage, I'm not sure how many people or how many of you guys are even checking out my videos, which also is important, guys, because each time I drop a forum post with an update, I always follow it up with a video to give you guys a little bit more clarity on how to use the ecosystem. Okay. And keep in mind, this is for your own benefit. And for those of you that be like, no, well, I don't want to have to deal with it each month. I just want to put some money in, walk away. Understand, there are automated features in the system for you to benefit as such. And for me personally, there are about 2 wallets that I use that I log in on a regular basis. These 2 wallets I use to maximize my returns, right? But on the other wallets that I have, I'm not logging into those. So guess what? I use the automated features of the wallet to continue to grow my Bitcoin. So I'll place a few $100s in Bitcoin out there. I'll set up an automated process and I let it run. So guess what, guys? I don't have to touch it. And years from now, the work that the system is doing for me right now, based on the Bitcoin that I've already put out there, is going to increase my Bitcoin automatically, right? So if you don't understand that all of these features are in place, how can you use them to maximize your returns? Okay. So I'm just dropping this video here just to give you guys an update. It's 2026. If you want to max out your returns, understand the system, learn the system, take the time to dig in, take the time to ask the questions, because we are 100% transparent. I'm going to tell you guys how the system works inside and out so that you have a clear understanding of it. And when you do have a clear understanding of it, you're going to understand how it's able to perform the way it performs, because you're not going to find anything else like this in the space, kicking out 80+% of everything, all of the transaction fees that come in. What business can you find that pays out 80% of its income to its shareholders? Right? That doesn't exist. That exists here because we have a very low overhead. We don't have, we're not throwing away money in the pockets of affiliates. We're not throwing away money in a physical building. We're not throwing away money in anything that is useless or does not fulfill the growth of the ecosystem, right? So take it as you will, guys. I'm just dropping this information out here for you. If you want to earn more, you're already in the system, or even if you're new to the ecosystem, if you want to maximize your return in Bitcoin, which is what we all want to do, take the time to learn the system. I'm not going to be mad at you if you don't, right? Because the system is going to perform whether you use it or not, right? That's really no sweat off my back. But the main purpose for me creating this is that all of us, all participants, be able to benefit as much as possible. All right. All right, peeps. Again, if you got any questions, comments, need directions, need links, need more information, always reach out. Again, all of these links are readily available to you down here. To contact us, we ain't hiding from anybody. Um, and you can always post something in the forum, and I'll reply to that accordingly. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. And again, shout out to this user here for just taking the time to look into it and ask the simple questions, because it's things like this that help me understand where your mindsets are so that I can better accommodate you guys however I can, right? All right, peeps, that's it for it, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.